Court clerk.
Yes, my lord.
Can you call out the first case?
My lord, the first case here is the case of witchcraft between Mr. Onwukwe, the complainant, and Mrs. Wanima, the accused. The prosecutor and the defendant's lawyers are here present.
Now, call out the plaintiff counsel and the prosecutor counsel. Are they here?
They are here, my lord.
Good. Let's see them.
My lord, and barrister Audio.
Yes.
My lord, I am Honorable Barrister No Case. You know me already.
Okay, let the hearing begin.
Mrs. Wanima, okay.
Yes, my lord.
Are you a Christian, Muslim, or a traditionalist?
I'm a Christian.
Take this Bible and repeat after me. I, Mrs. Wanima Okeke.
I, Mrs. Wanima Okeke.
Swear that the evidence I will give to this honorable court.
Swear that the evidence I will give before this honorable court
shall be the truth.
Shall be the truth.
The whole truth and nothing but the truth.
The whole truth and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Mr. Onwukwe Ejimofo.
My lord.
Are you a Christian, Muslim, or a traditionalist?
I am a traditionalist.
Do say after me. I,
Mr.
Onwukwe Ejimofo.
Mr. Onwukwe Ejimofo.
Say that the evidence I will give to this honorable court.
The evidence I will give to this honorable court
shall be the truth.
Shall be the truth.
The whole truth.
The whole truth.
And nothing but the truth.
Nothing but the truth.
If I conceal anything from this honorable court.
If I conceal anything from this honorable court.
May Amadioha strike me dead.
May Amadioha strike
you dead.
May Amadioha strike you dead.
You are the complainant, sir. May Amadioha strike you dead.
May Amadioha strike you dead.
Yep. Strike you dead.
Beautiful. Now let me quickly warn this honorable court. You must behave yourselves, because any mistake as to contempt of court, I do not hesitate in pushing you behind bars. So we are usually very serious here. Behave your very self. Now let the hearing begin.
My Highness, on the 18th of this month, my client here, Mr. Ejiofor Onwukwe, had a quarrel with Mrs. Nwanyima here. And on the process of the quarrel, she threatened to deal with my client, which she later did by bewitching my client here at night.
Objection, my lord. Can you imagine this roadside lawyer? Can you imagine this little mosquito? How dare you address our chief judge as your highness? No, does he look like Igbo of your community? Only you go no. That you will open that stupid thing you call the mouth to call him your highness. If you don't know how to address him, then you sit down and go to Aba or
No! My lord, in our constitution, it's not good for a barrister to use a vulgar word against he or her fellow learned colleague.
Learned colleague, my
I
foot.
rest my case.
Will you sit down, you little brat? In actually look at one. We shall see. Objection overruled, my lord. Please overrule it on my behalf.
Now, barrister Matthias, always allow your defending counsel to make his case known and established. Objection sustained.
I am sorry, my lord. I was only trying to put her in order. Yes! How can she be referring to you as your highness? Iriya Harbi. Iriya Nishinku Kasina Ngonku. Saying your highness. Indirectly insulting your magnitude. And I cannot tolerate that in this honorable high court. So I demand for her apology or disapology. Otherwise, I take it up.
What apology? What apology? Are you out of your mind? Can't you say we are in a law court? Behave yourself, Matthias.
My lord, sorry for the word. My lord, the accused woman here, as we can see, she did what she threatened to do to my client, thereby bewitching my client, and that I will not take. According to the book of law in 1817, it stated clearly, according to judicial terminologies, that anyone found guilty of such crime, thank you, my fellow knowledge man, find guilty has its own punishable sin to face, and she must face the law. According to the law of Muhammad Gubon, she has to face the law. That's my faith.
Yes.
Objection sustained.
My lord, pardon my manners. I stand before this honorable court to go against this little brat here. What does she know about law? No, what do you know about law? You want to teach me law? A barrister with curriculum? A barrister with hyphen? A barrister who have handled case of country and country? An overseed barrister. I supersede and I command you a maximum respect in this honorable court.
No! We are the high-profile barristers. You don't joke with us. Do you know we studied? Do you know our profile? Who are you? You always brag when you win a case in this court. Mind your words.
I can take that as a compliment. My lord, with due respect, my client here and the complainant, both of them, they are families. Everybody here in this honorable court know that whenever there is quarrel between two persons, anybody can say anything. Yes, anybody can voice out any vogel or any threat once there is word called quarrel. My client here is a Christian, and this man here is a pagan. Onyogomo. So what has a Christian to do with Onyogomo? Maybe sure Christ. Nobody here will say that he or she is not facing a witchcraft. All of us are derailed and we are sucked into witchcraft. Since I came into this village, every night I fight with witchcraftists. Then I will not wake up one morning and accuse somebody of bewitchcrafting me. It's not done anywhere. So she has nothing. Before her mother died, her mother was a Christian mother, the CWO leader. Her husband, before the husband died, her husband was a church warden, and her late father was supposed to be a reverend father. Before he was confused, so there is no way a Christian of her nature will become a witch. Go and look for it and settle them. Don't impose it on my client. What a sarcastical democracy.
Mrs. Imo Keke.
Yes, my lord.
I believe you've been here listening carefully of all the accusation leveled against you. Now my question is, are you guilty or not guilty?
I am guilty.
I win.
Okay. Now my judgment. Having listened to the good counsels, Emma, I find you guilty as accused. Now, I will sentence you to only 3 months imprisonment.
Hey!
Order!
Without labor.
Barrister, no case.
And the first recommendation is that you will not be part of this community again. We don't need people like you. You do not belong here. So you have option either to join the wizards and the witchcrafty people somewhere. They are. Either in Olas or Keja, where you will be subjected to licking the Nzu to see if they can sanitize you. They see if they can make you pure again before you return. And before you return, we should know. If that will not be possible for you, you go as far as Ijebu. Yes, I know of Ijebus, where if care is not taken, your punishment will even be more than 10 years. Because they will kind of keep you quarantined until you are back to life. You don't stay in a society that is pure and be sucking blood. I don't like witches and wizards. So you must let us be free indeed. Jebuode, I said, or Olas, where you testify before their strong shrine how many people you have sucked to death. If they pardon you, then you are lucky. So that's my judgment. And Onkwe, I'm surprised that you've not retired from all the evil things that you are doing. All the widows in town identifies with you. So you have to repent. I wish I have all that it takes to get you subdued. Because if I had my way, I would have given you elephantiasis of the scrotum so that you give way to all these widows. I am equally interested in the widows.
Yay! Order!
Yes, I'm serious. I said it earlier. I do not joke with widows. They are very, very vulnerable. And you don't take advantage of them. Enough is enough. Any other time your case is brought to this honorable court, I will jail you for life. Did you hear that?
Yes, my lord.
Go and zip up. You've done enough damage to our widows. By now you're supposed to have retired from following women and widows about. If you must know, I love widows and I'm interested in them too.
Yay! Order!
I am serious and I said it earlier. Leave the widows alone. You are not even ashamed that you just came out of a gonorrhea infection. If I knew, I wouldn't have recommended that chemist that killed you. Stupid man. Any other day, your case is reported to this honorable court. I'll make sure I jail you for life. Court.
Jude, come here. Who took the money I kept in the house? Jude, come here. Jude, come here.
Ah, Papa, what is it now?
Who took the money I kept in the house?
Papa, you mean the 200 under your pillow?
200, of course.
Papa, I'm the one that took it. I gave it to this guy to buy Igbo for me.
Jude, you collected what? My 200 naira, you collected it? Jude, you're all lala. Your mess are all doing well. Jude, you can't make up on go.
Hi! Papa, you are calling my mates. No, Papa. Ile chamanya, you know about my mates. Mpacheka mchugonigi. Look at Chokwode. Mwamade. He's a bricklayer for 3 years. Hell, Papa. Akaraka ukwano ofu. Okwano onyechia. Ibe ya achia. Empa. Even the millionaires you are seeing now, if another person die, another person will still be a billionaire. Another person will still be a trillionaire. Papa? So stop bothering yourself about me. Just give me like 11 to 12 years. Even though you are forcing me now to become what you want me to be. Papa, I cannot be. Papa, you see, even though I start working now, I can never be that thing you want me to be. Even 9.5, it never reach. It must be up to 11 years or 12 years. I cannot be that thing now, Papa. Even though I work in oil company. Papa, I can't be that thing now. I got my way go back. Even though I work there, it's a natural phenomenon, Papa. I got my way go. Oh, hello. Papa, leave me, It must be that 11 or 12 years.
Chai! Ewu ata me ego n'isi.
Otawa bego.
Ewu ata me ego n'isi. Elu ụwa nwa m. Jude nwa m. Chai! Ọchịgazi ọchị ndị Igbo. Jude nwa m ahụghị na m tara gị chọkọla m n'iyi ikwe. Ogonaga Abahwabo, give away Kete. Ye Guzroto. Judu, come and give me my 200 naira.
Papa,
Judu, give me my 200 naira.
Papa, okay, Papa, wait. I want to ask you something.
Judu, Atalama Hunishi, give my shower on Ole, Judu, come and give me my money.
Papa, okay, wait, Papa, Onyo Okada, Onyo Okada on the powder.
Onyo Okada on the powder, Carapro, Judu.
But what check I'm jogging, and then me lapping na plane.
Judu, Oto Lama say give me. Him Makano, when you're not in a Kenyan issue, you know, Japu, where one. Judu, come and give me my money.
I be going. I'll give you your money. Be going.
Come and give me my
I'm going to give you your money now. Leave me first.
Judu, don't kill me.
I'll give you the money.
Judu, you keep me in this house.
I will give you the money. Leave my clothes first. Papa, leave my clothes now. Papa, leave my clothes.
Okay, Judu, come.
Papa, I'm moving on.
So, madam.
Sir.
What you are saying, in the essence, is that the land in question belongs to you. Is that what you're telling me?
Yes, sir.
That land belongs to you?
Yes, sir. Sasi, might tell you, that land belongs to my late husband. And we don't dey farm inside that land before my husband come die.
I see. So that means your late husband's brother, Ejike, want to forcefully collect the land from you.
So Sibina, that only land where my husband give before he die. Now Ejike want just open my hand like this, collect am from my hand though. Sasi, you know what now one may help me do? I want me to come out Ejike leg. And in fact, all him body carry any lesson and now poor. Make that and just come back to me, oh. Now what did I want to?
God damn, baby.
Yes, sir.
God damn, baby.
Yes, sir.
Madam.
Sir.
You see here? It is easy at ABCD. It's very simple. You see that Ejike, your late husband's brother, I will make sure that I send him to life jail.
Wham! Hey, how you in trouble?
Madam.
Sir.
If Ejike, ma tu Ejike ngampuloka.
Hey.
Ma tu ngamama.
Otu akodi, how you in trouble?
Akwe if Ejike. By the time I finish with Ejike in the court, Oya natazikwa. Ma tu Ejike ngamama.
Hey! How you in trouble?
Oya jalele ngampuloka. And he will never return. No, for real, baby.
Hey, sir, wait you. In a woman na Ejike gaga life jail. Ngampuloka.
Damn, baby.
Yes, sir.
Madam.
Sir.
I don't think you know me very well, baby. Do you know me? Do you know the kind of barrister or lawyer I am? Madam, I'm a lawyer from the United States of America, baby. Do you know how many law schools that I attended or I went to in United States of America? Madam,
sir,
I went to 36 law schools in United States of America, baby.
Hey.
And I practice in 37 law schools in United States of America, baby.
Hey.
That's why I did all that for me to become professional in days. Madam.
Sir.
I have never lost a case since my life as a lawyer. And the United States of America is the king in anything land case or issue. So I will make sure that I use American system of law to get back your land. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
So Ejike, your late husband's brother, must go to jail. Matu yangam uloka.
Bam.
Ngoya na anatazi anata.
Bam, bam, bam.
No, for real, baby. Oya jenga. And I think that's the only way we can permanently silence him from trespassing again. Did you understand me?
Yes, sir.
One more thing you need to know about my profession. You see this bag right here? Madam, this bag contains all the books, all the law dictionaries, all the law grammatical functions, and every law terminology and the terms in the court. All these books contains all the law terms. I read all these books in United States of America. That's why I am a vibrant lawyer in question. So you don't have to panic in this case. I must make sure that I win the case so that victory will be yours.
Wow.
And let me make you understand. There is one more thing I want to tell you. Madam, I want you to allow me to do the talking in the court.
Okay, sir.
But peradventure, the chief judge asks you any question in the court, you must maintain your local standing.
Okay, sir.
In case he asks you whether you are guilty or not guilty, you must tell him that you are not guilty. You must tell the chief judge not guilty.
Okay, sir.
And allow the case for me
Okay, sir.
to handle.
Okay, sir.
Have I made myself clear, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have I made myself clear?
Yes, sir.
So you can now go home and celebrate because the case is already yours. Victory is already yours.
Thank you, sir.
No, for real, baby, you can go.
Thank you, sir.
Celebrate.
Thank you, sir.
You are a victory.
Thank you, sir.
You are a winner.
Thank you, sir.
For real, baby.
Thank you, sir.
You don't think I'm a barrister from United States of America, so you don't allow me to do the case, man.
Okay,
Go see Ejike, man.
Thank you, sir.
He must go to life jail.
Thank you, sir.
Ejike must go to life jail, baby. Imagine those people of nowadays. So he wants to forcefully collect her late husband's land. God damn, baby.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you.